Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will show you how to stop seeing someone's status on WhatsApp. So first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. And then on the WhatsApp, you can tap on the updates, which in the update, you can see all the status update from your friends or your contact and how to stop seeing one of these status. So in here, you only need to tap on the one of this status update. For example, I will hide this one. I tap to see the status, and to hide this status, you need to tap on the top right corner, and you can see there is an option to hide. You can tap hide and tap again hide, and now status from this contact will hide from you. So if you want to see this hidden status, you can scroll down and you can see here it's hidden update. You can tap and you can see here is that someone's status that I hide. And how to unhide this status? You can tap on the status and tap again in the top right corner, and you can see option to unhide this status. Okay, I hope this video useful and see you in another one.